Will you show us how you can scoot? Will you try and do some scooting? Yeah? Hey, look, if you move your feet out of the way, he might scoot back. There he goes. Yeah, keep it up. Woo! Good job. Can you scoot a little more? There he goes. There he goes. Checking out his sister. Oh, that might be the end of the scooting if you roll over.